What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a 2003 Toyota Camry. We're gonna replace the flex pipe, resonator pipe, and the muffler. Part number, this is all Walker brand. You can check out the part number on this. This is the flex pipe, and this is the resonator, Walker also, and the muffler, Walker also. There you have it. Okay, you're gonna need 3 gaskets. 1 gasket, part number. This one might go in the front, I believe so. And then we got another gasket. This is the same part number, 2 of these, same part number. Okay. And then, okay, this one goes in the front. Yeah, I remember now. This one is for the front over there, right there. And the other 2 gasket, one there at the joint and one at the end, which will connect to that pipe. And these part numbers varies on Camry. If you got a Camry, low emission, ultra low emission. So this one, if you look at the manifold, you see it's like pipes from each cylinder in there. If you remove this, that's what you're in the sensors here. If you got a sensor up in the top and it's like different setup, then the parts are not made for your car. Anyways, what we're gonna do is go up on the vehicle and we're replacing this because it's broken from the center. Now that we're up in the air, check this muffler out. So the reason why we're changing is non-repairable. Look at that condition of that. It's leaking here. This is one whole piece. This is where the actual issue is. I tried to get him through some time, but even the repair thing broke here, and pretty much everything from there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the 2 bolts there, take out the sensor, and that's a 22 millimeter on that sensor, and this plug goes here. You might see the plug that there, and there's a hanger here. Don't mess with this because that will break. We'll take out the hangers here. We got a hanger there, and we got a hangers here. Throw some WD-40 on all these, and they will come off easy. And if you want to cut it, I would cut it, but so you see this? We'll take this and put it here, but make sure you put thread lock on it because it will come off. And make sure it's nice and tight because I've seen these come off on me. So take that plug off, put it here, that's where the sensor goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove everything, and then I'm gonna show you once I'm done. So there we have it. We got the muffler out. We got the flex pipe out. The rear and the flex pipe is a down stream converter. We got the resonator out. So pretty much, it's very easy. Okay, I started it from the front, and what I did was, I'm gonna walk you through the whole thing. Take off the oxygen sensor, turn it just like I did there. Those were 16 millimeters, so I don't know what size you have there. Once you have that off, you have to take out the 2 bolts from back over here. They're probably gonna snap like they broke right there. And then you slip this out, that comes out. You gotta take off this 12 millimeter here. Losing this one, this turns out of the way. Once I took out these 2 hangers from the resonator, the rear connecting pipe just snapped off the muffler from right there because it was so weak. Then I took off this one and I hanged it with the bungee cord, and then I took off these 2 and everything is out. I'm gonna put everything back in. I'm gonna put this part in, put this part in, put that part in, and then I'm gonna work on the seals and gaskets, okay? And again, this is a converter here, okay? Anyways, you're gonna see this job once everything's back up. Okay, I am all done. Let's take out our light. So the bolt, you're gonna have to match something up. So I was wrong about the gasket. The 2 gaskets that looks the same are for the front and the middle, and the metal one is the different one is in the rear here. So I do put a little bit of sealer so they don't come loose, and this is tight. The hangers are in. I do put a sealer on these. So these gaskets, usually they will fail eventually. So nothing we could do because that's all we could get. Same thing over here. We got the sensor back in, and we got this thing red thread locked. Okay, look into red thread lock. And there you go. Everything is complete and done. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hopefully this motivates you guys to do your Toyota Camry's complete muffler system. And it took me about an hour and 10 minutes. And the hard part was getting it off. Getting it on was no problem. I tightened in order from here to the back, okay? So I tightened the front, put the gasket, tightened it up, put this gasket, tightened it up, and then I went to the rear. Everything just worked out well. And thank you for watching my video again. See you guys on the next video. And if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. Make sure your muffler is nice and straight. The hangers are in. There we have it. Oop, the tire keep hitting us. So, see you guys in the next video. One last thing, bring the car down, start the engine up, check for leak, listen for leaks. Sometimes the gaskets don't sit properly. And make sure you tighten them evenly. Don't just tighten one and the other side, then it's gonna be crooked. It's not gonna sit flush. So check for leaks, okay? If there's no leaks, you're good. If there's leaks, you're gonna have to redo just the gasket, move it around a bit, and that's it. Here's the thread lock I used, okay? And one more thing before we go. Once you start it, you're gonna see a little bit of smoke and a little bit of smell. It might smell for a day or so because the chemicals they put on these. And don't worry about the stickers. Leave them on. They will come off on their own. And another thing is make sure you tap on it. It doesn't hit anything, okay? Nothing is metal to metal. All right, that's it. That's what I wanted to state there. Thank you for watching my video. And this is the final end of the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and like.